Good morning.
Good morning.
Hot interview question.
Okay.
Your name,
My name is Edwin Zorro.
your age,
I'm 42 years old.
your natal city,
I was born in Sogamoso, Boyacá, Colombia.
what is your address,
Rice 2176.
what is your phone number,
Number is 31034232270.
your occupation.
Your occupation is you in the steel company.
Okay. Academic training,
Study of the 11 baccalaureate degree and 60 semester course of industrial engineer.
okay. Your marital status,
Married.
names of his wife and daughters,
My wife is Diana Baroni. My daughter Sarah and Salome.
okay. What do you like to do the most in your free time?
Cheer with my family.
Okay. Hobbies,
Play soccer. Watch TV, television. Research show.
work experience,
20 years work in the steel industry and personal magnet.
personal experience,
Homeland in the work area personal recursion. Crown several cities of Colombia.
okay. Qualities,
Generosity, sincerity, hope,
abilities,
creative, positive, attitude positive, trust, relationship.
okay. What is your favorite food?
The food of the sea.
Okay. What food do not you like?
I don't not like chicken.
Okay. What is your email?
edava82@gmail.com.
What is your favorite music?
De vallenato.
What is your favorite singer?
Rafael Orozco.
Okay. What is your favorite color?
Is blue.
What is your favorite pet?
The dog.
What the name of your pet?
Goofy.
And what are your future projects?
Be an industrial engineer.
Okay, thank you very much. We will be in touch.
Okay, thank you.